What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. In this time I'm going to bring you a quick unboxing and experience buying a used lens. This is from MPB, which is actually, I believe, a British camera company, but they do operate it within the United States. They mainly sell used gear from what I found, and they generally have a large selection of specifically Canon and Nikon older glass. This is a Canon EF 135mm f2. It was listed as good condition, and I paid around a little over $400 and some for it, around $500 for it. So this gives you an idea of what you get. From everything I've read online, this is a very similar company in quality and how they rate stuff compared to KEH, where it's a little on the more conservative side. So a good may to you look brand new, but to them they list it as good. So as far as packaging, it came from New Jersey to Ohio. It came in like 2 days. Packaging seems really good just out of the box. I found that their prices seem to be a little bit more in line with what the used market actually is, whereas sometimes, while I know KEH is a really good company and makes really good quality, or not good quality, sells really good quality stuff, has great customer service, they tend to be a little bit higher in price, I find. So every single lens sold from MPB comes with a 6-year warranty. The pictures on the website are actually what you get, so they're not just generic pictures, they're actually photos of the lens you will get. So you can check out date codes and things like that, just to see if the lens is something that's up to your quality or not. I've never bought from this company before, so we will see a little bit of what you get. From everything that I read, I think this lens basically comes with nothing. At least from what I read online, I don't think it comes with anything with it. Like, there's no original box. I don't even think there was a hood or anything with it. But the packaging here seems to be pretty in line with a lot of the other stuff. Everything looks to be recyclable, which I like. Not a lot of plastic or anything. And so this is it. So I'll kind of give you an idea. I'm going to move the camera around and see what it looks like with a little bit close-up inspection. More closely at the lens, generic lens cap. I believe this is an actual authorized Canon rear, but the overall body of it seems really good. It does make a little weird noise there. Can you hear that? I'm not really sure what that's about, but does make kind of a weird noise there. So we'll see how things go when it comes to focusing. Back rear cap. So we get a UM date code, but it looks very clean. Looks like to be very minimal of any marks or damage, even on the ring here. It seems to be really good. Honestly, I'm not seeing any. There's a little bit of wear. It looks like up here, but nothing that I really care about. This is an old lens. I mean, this lens is not the newest of varieties out there, so you can see that the glass does have a few little smudges on it. But I have a little microfiber cloth here, so we'll just kind of wipe the lens off. So there does seem to be a decent amount of scratches on there. The actual internals of the lens look pretty clear. I don't see a lot of dust or any type of issues there, but you can definitely tell that there is a fair amount of little teeny tiny fine scratches. Probably shouldn't be touching the lens like this, but so we will see. This is what you get. Actually, I just looked at the actual receipt on this. I actually paid $296 for this. So for $296, looks like that focus noise is gone. So it may have just been from the caps that were on there. Yep, it was just from the cap. You can kind of hear it there when you take the cap off. It's essentially gone. So we'll see what kind of picture qualities we get from it. For that type of money, I don't think you can really go wrong. It does seem to be a decent amount of very small scratches on the front of the lens. I don't even know if that's just from the microfiber cloth or just from this in general. But we'll clean it up, see what we get. But that's what you get. From what I've read, they have really good customer support, so I'm pretty sure they have like a 14-day return policy if I didn't want it. But I'm going to keep it, see what kind of minor scratches don't bother me. We'll see if it affects photos at all. So that's it. If you have any comments, questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you. But this is what you get for $300 for these generally retail between $500 and $800 depending on what the condition is. So we'll see what kind of photos it takes.